Good afternoon, this is Mark Harrison with Sewer Line Check Professionals. I'm here at 1852 West Kenneth Road in Glendale, and I'm preparing to perform a video examination of the main sewer line for Evelyn Evanescence. Now, the main sewer line is the portion of the waste drainage piping that is exterior to the structure. It lies underground and connects the building drain line system to the public sewer. The building drain line system then is the portion or portions of the waste drainage piping that is underneath or interior to the structure. Our examination today is not focused on the building drain line system, so if further evaluation is desired regarding the building drain line system, a licensed plumbing contractor should be contacted, or a specialty building drain line video examination can be set up through our office. So I'm going to be performing the video portion of this examination today from this 4-inch sewer line cleanout I found here over near the, this would be the left side of the property as you come off the back porch. The line actually exits here underneath this rear stair and landing, kind of runs out at an angle across to this area here, which is inside our driveway gate from the back. It's going to be underneath this metal lid marked sewer. So I've pushed through to this point from a waste vent on the roof. I didn't find a cleanout up against the structure in this case, but I was able to verify that it's all modern plastic out to this point. And so we're going to drop in here and we're going to examine the pipe as it goes off the property and out into the street to connect to the public sewer. So as we drop in, we're dropping into a modern 4-inch ABS plastic piping. So this section has been upgraded, not the original pipe here on this property. There's been additions and alterations to the structure, it appears, over the years, and much of this has been changed. At about 8 feet in, probably right about where the pipe actually starts to run underneath the sidewalk here, we're changing from the plastic to an original clay pipe. Now you see here off to the lower left that there are roots coming in at this connection. This connection is intended to prevent root intrusion, so this is a situation where something has occurred here, and this would be something that would be dictated for repair. Now, as I push past this and kind of pull the camera back across that area, I can feel the camera catching on the edge right there. So it's catching on this edge of this plastic pipe. So there's a lip that tells me this plastic pipe was shoved inside the clay pipe, and that's not a proper connection. So that's something I would recommend for repair. So as we push beyond that, we're getting into some pretty significant root intrusions. It's hard to see exactly how they're getting in, if they're isolated at the joints or if they're coming in through breaks in the pipe. It's really difficult to get an accurate evaluation of this line with these roots through here. You can see how it's causing slow drainage and debris buildup, and really just keeping us from being able to see anything with the camera. So in a case like this, it's recommended that the line be thoroughly cleaned, and that once it's thoroughly cleaned, that a follow-up examination is done, so that we can better determine the condition of this section of pipe. Once we get beyond that, out closer to the actual street, we start running through a pipe that's much cleaner now. In other words, there's not as much root intrusion through this section, and we're not going to see any more roots till right before we get to the public sewer. All this looks okay through here. So the good news is the pipe under the street looks okay, but it is difficult to make out that one section. So here we're making this turn to drop into the public sewer, and again those roots kind of cause some debris buildup and stuff that's making it a little hard to see the connection here at the city sewer. Again, that's something that would get cleaned out. It would get cleaned out and we'd want to see it again. Alright, so at this point, we do know that there's a non-standard connection happening where the plastic meets the clay, but before I make any repair recommendations, I want to see those areas where the roots are limiting my view and making it so I can't see the condition of the pipe through there. And then I would go ahead and provide the final repair recommendations. So at this point, good thorough cleaning of the line to clean it out so that we can see those areas, and a follow-up examination. Alright, that's going to conclude the video portion of this examination for today. Please do refer to my written report for the description of the final findings and recommendations. This is Mark Harrison with Sewer Line Check Professionals. Thank you very much, and have a pleasant day.